Alright, hey guys, I am back in Miami. I haven't been in Miami for a really long time. I've been at home in North Carolina, taking care of business, working on my mom's estate, and I also closed on the house. So I am a new homeowner, still wondering what I got myself into. But I came back to Miami, arrived at my crash pad, which is basically a flight attendant hostel, my living quarters in Miami. I'm only paying $280 a month, so it's just a place where it's cheap rent. And since I have a mortgage now, I need something really cheap, and so I went with the crash pad in Miami. And so I arrived at my crash pad to this, my uniform box. So American Airlines, our first uniform, had some issues, and we're getting new uniforms now. So this one's by Lens N. So far so good. So this is the, I wasn't going to do this, but I was like, you know what, I'm just going to do one of these. So it's the unboxing of the American Airlines new uniform by Lens N. And so this is the jacket in-flight sweater. Sorry, not jacket, but in-flight sweater. It looks really good. Kind of slightly itchy, but it's not as bad as the one that we had before. Camera right here. So yeah, in-flight sweater is good. So this is one of our dress shirts. Not bad. It's not the plain one, this is the one with the stripes. Checkered. Call it the checkered dress shirt. Alright. Ooh. I like this. I like this. What do you guys think, guys? What do you guys think? I like this shirt. So I went with this synthetic. There's an option for a non-synthetic, and which is normal, and then synthetic. So I went with synthetic. And so far, this is good. I like the feel of it. I don't mind the design. It's not bad. People say it's hideous, but I think it's okay to me. Everyone has their own taste and opinion. And I mean, I would like this a little tighter, but you know, it's bigger than I thought. Right. Let's see. Pants. Here we go. So this is a plain white dress shirt. I mean,
Are you talking to me?
yeah, sorry, Angelina. Did you try out your uniform yet?
No, I ordered it like the last day before we were supposed to have it. Oh, are you trying it out now?
I am, yeah.
Got a checkered shirt here. Oh, you guys have a checkered shirt
We do.
too.
Ooh. Actually, the sweater is nice.
This is a sweater? What is this? No,
Very
this
white
is like a...
shirt
These are your pants.
with the logo right here.
Oh, okay. See, it fits you nice. I heard that
It
everything
does.
ran really big.
Yes.
Are you filming this?
Well, I saw people doing it, and I only have like 10 bars of like
There's
10%.
just gonna be me really nosy looking at all your stuff.
I'm just gonna edit it.
Edit that part out.
I will edit that part out. I'm just trying to do this before Lynn gets in. Ooh, I like this
She'll have
vest.
something to say, don't
I
worry.
like this vest.
Yeah, it's
It looks like
nice.
I'm going to a club.
Yeah, you look like you're going somewhere. Maybe to the 80s, I'm not sure.
Here she is. I like this vest. Alright guys, so These are pants. You know, it's a little long, but I like the fabric. Fabric's nice. A little long, a little big. Yeah, put a belt on, it's no problem. But I mean, it's a 30-30, but I mean, it's usually what I wear, but it's too big. So almost everything is too big. It's a jacket. I like the fabric of the jacket, very soft. The sleeves is good, it's perfect, but it's just too big. Look at all this space. I need to tighten this up. Look at me. Too big. Yeah. Overall, the sweater is the best. Suit jacket's too big. They need to alter it. Pants is too long, too big. Shirts are all too big. Vest is too big. Everything's too big. But overall, product is nice so far. So far, I like the product so far. So, lots of stuff. It's just a pocket square, and over here we have the tie. There's a red tie. Hey, what's up guys? So this is the all-weather winter coat. It's just a hoodie. I like the fabric on the outside. Fabric on the inside is very nice. So far it's warm, but from a friend of mine who was a uniform tester, she told me that it's not really that warm for when it's really cold outside. When it's like below zero, if you're in Minnesota, or below the 20s if you are in Chicago, if you are in Chicago, and also when it rains, it's not waterproof. So just be careful. But overall, I like this uniform piece, guys. I have to go. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon for new videos. I'll catch you guys later. See you guys. Bye. Guys, thank you so much for watching my video. If you haven't done so yet, please click that subscribe button below so you don't miss a new episode as I travel the world. I'll see you guys next time, guys. Bye.